Good morning, Shane. I got your HOG0 computer in and hooked up to the bench. And let's see what we got. 5-volt reference is a tiny bit low, but it's there. This is the power indicator, this is the check engine light, and this is the fuel pump. Fuel pump should run for 1 second after you start it up. So turn the key on. Pump does go for 1 second. And then this is the code pulling mode. So when we flip that, this thing should switch over and start flipping codes here in a second, right after it freaks out. There we go. So overall, it's functional. That doesn't mean it actually works right, but it does mean that on the bench it's at least powered up, thinking clearly, and as a go no-go test, it is functional. This computer has had the capacitors already replaced in it. And it doesn't look to me like some of the mess there was cleaned up from the original capacitor leaking. You see some kind of discoloration there. Sorry about the shaky camera, this doesn't work too well. Same here, I see a lot of something there. Some liquids on the board that were there after the last guy cleaned off the conformal coating. I don't like what I see there. The rest of the board, top and bottom, look pretty good. I didn't see anything obvious. I'm going to put it under the microscope next and have a closer look at those capacitors because you said one of them legs looks broken, so we're going to check that real carefully. That's it.